I'm going to show you exactly how to build a warm smoky eye that actually shows up on hooded eyes. Let's get into it. Before anything goes on the eye, I'm priming, and for hooded eyes, this is not optional. Priming the entire area means the color stays in place exactly where you want it to. Now I'm using a slightly fluffy brush, and with the Colourpop Precious Metals palette, I'm using this light brown shade to coat the entire lid. You can see how I'm building up the colors slowly. This gives me more control so that I know what color is going where. You can apply some on the bottom lash line too so that everything is looking put together. Next up, I'm going with this medium tone shade and I'm applying it from the upper lash line, going upwards. You want the first color and the second one to match properly so that it looks very well blended out. And you can see with my technique, I'm patting on the color first and then buffing it out. All my hooded eye friends, make sure you're keeping your eyes open while doing this step. Now with a more precise flat brush, I'm going in with the same brown shade and applying that to the bottom lashes. I'm not using a fluffy one here because I do not want it to spread everywhere and I just want it to be on the bottom lash line. Now with the Refer O2 brush, which is a flat brush as you can see, I'm going into the dark brown shade and building up the color. For hooded eyes and for a smoky eye, always make sure you're building the color from the lash line going upwards. You want to build on the color slowly so that you have got control and you do not spend too much time blending out eyeshadows. And now with the fluffy brush, just blend all those colors together. Now with the Refer O2 brush, which is the flat one from before, we are going in with the same shade and applying that on the bottom lash line. You want to apply this very close to the lashes so that we do not have to blend too hard and irritate the eyes. Now I'm going in with my kohl pencil from Huda Beauty and lining the upper lash line. Try to focus this as close as you can to the upper lashes. And now you take a flat brush and buff that out. You can see I've only done it towards the center of the eyelid because I do not want a very thick line going towards the inner corner. Do not apply too much pressure here. You want to use a creamy kohl pencil. You can even use your finger to smudge out the balance. Now apply a thin line towards the inner corner. Keep it focused and do not irritate the eye as much as you can, and then blend that out. Now to set it in place, I'm using the black eyeshadow from the palette. This will increase the intensity and will also prevent any smudging. Next up, we're going in with the black shade again on a pointed brush and just smudging it slightly. This prevents that very harsh line from showing up. Next up, going in with this black shade again, we're building up the color. You can see how that brown and black are mixing in together beautifully. Now with this black shade again, we're really going to be deepening the color close to the lashes. This step usually makes all the difference in a smoky eye. Now with the same brush and the eyeshadow shade, we're applying that to the bottom lashes. Apply the black only very closely to the lashes. Make sure you're taking breaks in between so that you can blink and it doesn't end up burning your eyes. And now let's go in with the previous brown shade and buff those colors together. You can really see how the eyeshadow is coming together. It's really that simple. Now I want to make my lashes look a bit more darker, so I'm using this Epic Ink liner from NYX Cosmetics and I'm just applying a very thin line close to the lashes. This will help define the eyes as well. And now comes my favorite part where I get to apply the kohl pencil on the waterline. The shade I'm using from Huda Beauty is Very Vanta. And now I'm going to be tightlining the upper lash line too. Take any mascara that you have and apply that on the lashes. And this is how your eyes will look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, leave it down in the comments. And as always, please do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, have a good one.